Alright, here's a video of my 25.5-inch Westlake sub, made around 1938, somewhere around in there. They offered them as a kit or as a built boat. This particular one was built. It was pretty rough, banged up, but it was all there. And the paint scheme I like, so I repainted it in the same scheme. And I added the numbers. It's modeled after a real USS Tarpon, World War II submarine. And it was a fairly expensive toy at the time. They offered it all the way up to the early 50s. It's a wind-up. I had to replace the key and rebuild the motor. The spring was broken, but now it works great. Polished up all the brass. It's tin. It will dive. These fins, you can adjust them, but you'll scratch the paint doing it. But anyway, it will dive. It's relatively slow, but I'm not putting it in the water. The guy I'm buying it from, I don't think will either, or is buying it from you, I don't think will either, but you never know. Anyway, it makes a hell of a display piece. It's 25.5 inches long, made by Westlake model toy company of Erie, Pennsylvania. And anyway, I've got it wound up. And what you do is, here's a switch on the deck. You can see where it says start and stop. It's just a little lever. It goes up against the gears, which are right underneath. And here's the props and the shafts. I polished all the props up. They were brass, which look a lot nicer. And I'll flick the switch and you'll see it run. I like to unwind it a little bit more, take the strain off the spring. But you can see, as start here, you can stop it either way, either direction. And it's all nice and brass, says Westlake on it. And that was a neat little boat, neat little sub. This is made out of Bakelite, early plastic, which is really better, I think. It's heavy, it's great shape. The duck gun's made out of Bakelite also, just plastic. I painted it up to gray color. Added the numbers, added the name Tarpon that the boat is modeled after. And anyway, there it is, 25.5 inches. If anybody needs a stand who has one, Westlake sub, I can make you a stand to fit the hull really nicely. So, it's mahogany. Anyway, there you go. Thanks again for all your kind words on my boats. You can see the other boats at rccraft.com that I currently offer, or on YouTube. Anything you see, let me know. If you're interested, I could probably make it. That I used to offer. And also, if you need one restored, send it to rbojck@gmail.com, pictures and what you need done to it, and I'll let you know if it's possible to restore it. And I got a ton of boats in the process. So anyway, thanks again. Have a nice day. Bye.